Judge destroys drug test lying defendants with instant bond shock.
You had to be here on time. I'm going to raise your bond to $100,000.
In this dramatic courtroom hearing, the judge confronts each defendant after failed drug tests reveal violations of bond and probation conditions.
Did you drive here? Oh, you're surprised about the ecstasy? Wow.
I did suspect the guy relapsed a few days ago.
Yeah. All right, so I'm going to find, obviously, that is a violation of your bond conditions. I also told you last week specifically that you had to be here on time. No, you were not here. And so I'm going to raise your bond in your case to $100,000 if you make that bond a condition of Maine and Jefferson County, since you can't seem to get here on time. We'll figure that out. Talk to your attorney. You can go back with the bailiff.
As tensions rise inside the courtroom, one defendant attempts to explain away a positive test with an excuse that instantly backfires.
You tested positive this morning for methamphetamines and amphetamines.
I took a lot of 5-hour powers for 3 days. And I took a lot of 5-hour powers to rest.
5-hour powers is not going to test positive for methamphetamine.
If you send it off to 11 treatment city, it's not, I don't do nothing like that.
All I know is you tested positive for methamphetamine. And obviously there's some concern because you were arrested while this case was pending, and Mr. Holman figured that out. Hold on.
I mean, it is an arrestable offense, but normally it's just a ticket.
Doesn't matter. If you're on bond for a felony, you should. I just asked you not to say anything else right now, okay? I'm just checking on something. I'm going to grant the state's motion to raise your bond based on the fact that you tested positive, based on the fact that there was an additional arrest while you were on bond for a felony offense. It's currently set at $30,000. I'm going to raise your bond to $75,000. All right, you can go back with the bailiff.
I'll just tell the court from reviewing the video, at least that night, they sure thought it was hilarious.
We want you to be successful. You're going to get a probation today where you don't have a felony conviction on your record. And if you complete that probation, you're never going to be a convicted felon. But if you violate and you don't take advantage of the programs that we're going to give you, it's going to be difficult because you're at an age where all your friends are going to be doing things that you're not going to be able to do. But the alternative is prison for up to 10 years. So you need to think about that every time somebody says, oh, just come on out with us and do whatever. And your answer is going to be, I'll do that in a few years when I'm not on probation, right? Because I don't want to go to prison for 10 years. So I am going to pay the $250 fine. I am going to order that you enter and successfully complete the ISF substance abuse track, but I'm going to hold that in abeyance. That is an inpatient 90-day program. So if you get in, you're going to be required to go to JCDI and complete that program.